What's up, fam? Well, look what I got. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Payasa is smiling from ear to ear. I'll tell you what, I have the best supporters in the world. And I mean that literally. For someone that barely came on TikTok 1 month and 1 week ago, you guys are like, bam, bam. You're my heroes, for real. And you leave me speechless. And I have so much love and respect for all of you for giving me the opportunity to show something that I love to do. You know, hoping that I inspire somebody out there. I got these beautiful gifts. I don't know what's in them, but the boxes are beautiful already. So let's check it out with a knife. So excited. You don't even know, my heart is pounding. Oh my God, I feel like a little kid right now. For real, you guys are freaking the bomb, man, I swear. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. You deserve it. From Emily. Thank you, Emily B. Thank you so much. Much love. Let's see. A box inside of a box. Oh, shoot, that's heavy. No way. Oh my God. It's pots and pans. Look at my beautiful pots and pan set. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. I don't even know what to do with it. They're so beautiful. Thank you. See what's in this one. Look, everybody. Look. Look. A new knife set. I want to see what they look like. Look. Look how beautiful. Look at this beautiful knife set. With a knife. Wow. Check that out. Look at that. Woo! Scissors. Has a sharpener. Look at that. Beautiful. And this is a chopper. Wow. It has a bunch of accessories in here. So cool. Wow, that's cool. All this shit chops things up. Chops your veggies. Let's see. Let's see. Bam! Boom! Boom, bam! I'm gonna have fun with this, people. And this, look, you know what? You know what, Payasa? Don't have a whisk. I use a fork for everything. Look at this beautiful set. I love, love, love the color. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. It came with a note. A gift for you. Enjoy your gift. I watch your cooking videos all the time. I enjoy them so much. I think I remember you from school. Not 100% sure, but you grew up around the Isaac district from Terry. Of course I remember. I used to party there all the time when I was a youngster. Right in the corner. I remember. Hi, and thank you so much, Terry. Much love. I'm so grateful. Everything I wanted. Thank you so much. Let's see what this is. Oh, what? A cheese grater. Now I don't have to hurt myself with my arthritis going like that. This is one of those ones that I think it suctions to the thing. A gift for you. Best of luck, Payasa, from Tangi. Thank you so much, Tangi. Then you use this, like you put some cheese in there, and you smash it, and be like, wow, check out all that cheese, man. So pretty. Thank you so much, Tangi. Okay, let's see what this is. I guess I'm baking. Look it. Thank you to whoever sent this 3-piece sheet pan set. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for your love and support. Wow, check this out. Wow, check it out. Look at this beautiful stainless steel mixing bowls. Oh my God, look it. Look. They're non-slip. Look, and it comes with all this. Look at how cute. Another whisk. It's a baby. Look at. Oh, this is the cutest thing. Look. Look at measuring cups. This means I'm gonna have to start measuring my stuff. Like, you know me, I just be eyeballing it. Look. Oh shit, look. Here we go. Measuring spoons. See how much Payasa knows about this? I'm so old school. I eyeball everything. This is for when I take all the stuff left over from the cake. Look at the pretty lids, look. Look at this. Oh, it goes this way. My bad. Look how beautiful. And it comes with a zester, like, you know, like do zest. A cheese grater. You could put it on top of the bowl. I could cut some of my long papas like this. Badass. Thank you to whoever sent it. I appreciate it. I love it. And you guys are the bomb, man. Thank you so much. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.